Revolut business model. Hi guys, I'm Ananya from Code Brew Labs, and in today's video, we are discussing the business model of Revolut, the European fintech power bank that is taking over the fintech sector like a storm. So, in today's video, we are discussing everything you should know about it. So first, let's start with what is Revolut. Revolut is a neobank offering various financial products to consumers and businesses, marking its existence through a mobile application which is available both on iOS and Android devices. And as a neobank, Revolut does not operate any physical branch. Revolut's business model is based on several levels, including different subscription plans, fees for international transfers and withdrawal or interest, and overdraft paid on loan. Furthermore, it offers additional financial products such as trading, various insurances, as well as cashback programs. Next, let's get into some interesting facts about Revolut. The application was launched in the year 2015, founded by two Russians with vast experience in financial sector, which were Nick Starosky and Vlad Yatsenkov. Its headquarters is based in London in UK. Revolut is UK's biggest fintech company with a valuation of more than $33 billion. The total funding raised by Revolut is more than $1 billion. Today, the company has more than 2,000 employees, manages over 15.5 million users, and operates in close to 30 countries across the globe, with its presence in United States of America, Switzerland, European Economic Area. Next, let's look into how does Revolut work. The workflow of Revolut is simple. It has two main customer segments. The first one is the retail customer who sends and receives money from their international friends and peer group. And then is the businesses that have global operations and want easy and cheap transactions. Hence, it serves both B2C and B2B customer segments. Revolut's value proposition allows its customers to spend 10 times less money on international transactions. It offers free, fast, and secure money transaction service in more than 129 countries. Revolut is very different from its competitors as it uses interbank rate service with the help of multiple currency cards. Revolut is digitally enabled and therefore does not operate any physical customer branches. It also offers features like transferring money to other user or bank account, both domestic and globally. Vaults to automatically put money aside for saving purposes, trading different stocks or investing in cryptocurrencies, buying various insurances or getting concierge to book and organize trip for you. So now you must be wondering that how does Revolut make money? While Revolut's banking account is free of cost, there are multitude of other products and services in which the users are monetized, like subscription revenue. Revolut offers different subscription plans catering both retail and businesses. The fees in both the cases increases as per the service that Revolut has to offer to a specific subscription plan. Second is interchange fees. For every successful physical card transaction made by Revolut, it takes a cut. And number 3 is international money transfer. A customer can transfer up to £5,000 abroad every month for free. For anything above this amount, a fee of 0.5% is applied on the transaction. And for customers opting in for paid plan and monthly limit is higher. And number 4 are the perks. When paying with your Revolut card at once of the selected partner, customer will receive a discount if a customer records 10 successful transactions. And number 5 is insurance. Revolut users can buy two types of insurance, namely device and overseas medical insurance. Revolut offers these insurance package through its subsidiary called Revolut Travel Limited. Number 6 is loans and overdraft. Customer can furthermore opt for loans. These loans range from 500 pound up to 25,000 pound, while the repayment period between 12 to 60 months. Revolut makes money by the interest that is collected from each loan offered. Further, to summarize the overall working of Revolut, we can understand it that Revolut is a digital banking system which allows customers to perform all the functionalities that are provided by any physical bank entity. The only benefit is that this system does not charge the user for performing international exchange transfer. This feature itself is handy and has pulled multiple small-scale businesses and individual users for performing everyday transactions. If you are someone who's impressed by the overall working of Revolut, this is a great time to step into the fintech world with Code Brew Labs, a leading app development company with a number of successful projects delivered in fintech world. We are all set to brew success with you. Are you interested? Well, if yes, feel free to get in touch with us from the link in the description below, and our experts shall connect you as soon as possible. With this, we come to the end of this video. We shall be back with more videos related to business world. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.